Yo, what up everybody, Arie here, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how this random dude on Twitter sold over $35 million worth of dog beds. Yes, you heard that right. Dog beds. Now, whether you have a business of your own or you're looking to start a business, this video in particular is going to give you a lot of motivation, and hopefully I'll be able to commentate on some things that I'm picking up to apply to my own businesses. So if that sounds interesting, make sure that you stay till the end. And if you do get some value out of this, make sure that you give this video a like. It does help out the channel a ton. And yeah, let's hop right into the interweb and check this thread out. So the thread is by this guy called Ramon Van Meer, and apparently this guy is a father, an immigrant, an entrepreneur, and a bootstrap founder and CEO of Alpha Paw and Pet Canva. Previous companies were Soap Hub, Pink Java Media, and Toddledo. So man, clearly this guy is what you would call a serial entrepreneur, and I'm not talking about Lucky Charms. I'm talking about this guy has started multiple businesses, and I guarantee you not all of them succeeded. So here's another great example of why perseverance is kind of, the name of the game here. Just be consistent, be persistent, and you'll hopefully make it. So this is the store that he's talking about. So this is the one that he's very public about, I guess, that he has in his bio, Alpha Paw. And let's see if we can get any sort of traffic data. Wow, so they're driving over 300,000 monthly visitors. Awesome, they're doing quite well. Now let's read this thread that he just recently dropped. This is what I wanted to show you. So he starts off by saying, 2.5 years ago, I bought a dog ramp business for $300,000. Damn, that's kind of a lot, but only 2.5 years ago, I guess that's not that long ago. Since then, I've sold $35 million of dog ramps. I'm going to explain why I bought it, how I scaled, why I bought a business versus built from scratch. But first, dog ramps, question mark? This really piqued my curiosity, and this is actually why I wanted to share it here. I was gonna look at this thread myself, but I figured I'd just do it on camera, kind of create a ripple effect of value here. So anyways, yeah, dog ramps, I know, odd, but there's a reason behind this. Dog ramps solve a very specific problem. If you have a small or old dog that struggles to get onto your bed or couch, you immediately react when you see a dog ramp ad. Why? It's a very specific problem for a relatively small but targeted audience that you can explain very well in a video. Jumping of sofa hurts dogs' joints and can cause injuries and spinal issues. Surgery can cost up to $8,000. A ramp can prevent your pup from a painful surgery. So these are kind of the marketing angles that this guy's using, which is low-key kind of genius, low-key a little messed up, but not actually, because they are helping the dogs. Let's go over why I bought it, scaled it, and why I personally like to buy versus build. Ooh, so this is kind of interesting. I've never really considered buying a business as opposed to starting it from scratch. That's what I've always done, but let's see what he says. Reasons why I bought it. It solves a specific problem for a targeted audience. Previous owner wasn't doing any Facebook ads. Okay, now I kind of understand. No email marketing or retention at all. Old crappy website with poor conversion. Huge social media following, but no way to convert into sales. Damn, I mean, yeah, that sounds like a diamond in the rough. It sounds like a crazy opportunity, but $300K is a lot of money to be dishing out into a business, so I'm still pretty impressed and curious about this. So how they scaled. 1, they moved it over to Shopify, updated all images, videos, and copy. 2, social ads, just took videos from customers and created ads. Pretty simple. 3, built email flows and campaigns with Klaviyo. And 4, paid ads, mainly Facebook and Instagram. So pretty simple stuff. I mean, this is the stuff that we talk about on this channel a lot. This is like how you build a business. Why buy versus build? For me, it is easier and faster to go from 1 to 10 versus 0 to 1. Damn, that's true. There's already a product market fit of some sort. There's history, revenue, and data you can work with. 3, similar like real estate, I look for crappy fixer-uppers in up-and-coming areas. I know how to fix and increase value. I'm not a great building. I think he meant builder, but you get it. 4, typically I want to see 3 things I can improve on the website and increase the value. To find the deals, I use Quiet Light Inc. What is this? Quiet Light is your trusted advisor helping entrepreneurs buy, scale, and sell online businesses since 2007. Wow. I typically like to stay low key. I'm shy and introvert as fuck, but I want to get out of my comfort zone and start building more in public, as it maybe can be helpful for others. Follow me for more. And he says, I'm pretty unknown, but would be cool to do some podcasts or interviews with Forbes or Entrepreneur or something. I have a lot more stories. I'll be tweeting them as well. If you know someone in PR, let me know. Okay, anyways, this sounds awesome. Definitely give this guy a follow. I mean, he obviously deserves it. He kind of figured out a genius business idea here. And actually, this is a good question right here that somebody asked. How did you find the dog ram business in the first place? And he said he found it on app.centurica.com/marketwatch, which is actually pretty nuts. So this is a database. I've never seen this before, of businesses that are looking to get sold. So for example, here we have an FBA home decor business that is asking for $13 million and their revenue is $12 million. Okay, I guess we can't actually take a look at them, but this is interesting. Wow. A lot of these are Amazon businesses, so people are really looking to sell their Amazon businesses nowadays. I'll give this guy a follow, and if you want to come on the channel, dude, that would be amazing. I'll hit you up, and maybe we can set some sort of interview up so you can share more value with my audience as well. We've been really popping off lately, but yeah, man, this was really interesting. I've actually never considered buying a business. I didn't know what it entailed, and this kind of opened my eyes to it a little bit. And I'm curious, what do you think? Have you ever thought about buying a business instead of starting one from scratch? And if so, what sort of things would you look at? I mean, obviously not everybody has 300K just lying around, but it is nevertheless really interesting that people consider those sorts of things. I've personally never bought or sold any of my businesses, so I don't have a lot of experience with that. So I'd love to know what some of you guys think. But that's all I got for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're literally learning every single day, just getting bigger brains every 24 hours basically. And with that said, make sure you check out the links in the description, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.